I am Tanir Shabarish. I wish to express my gratitude to my donors, Give India and Danhar India CSR Foundation for having supported 2 years of my medical education. My father is a farmer. My mother is a homemaker. My brother completed BTech in EC and doing internship at BITS Pilani. My inspiration is my parents. Currently, I am doing internship at Guntur General Hospital, Guntur, Andhra Pradesh. I will write NEET PG examination in 2025. My ambition is to do MD in General Medicine. I want to give back to the society by serving the needy and ensure healthcare facilities are easily accessible. Thank you FFE for conducting medical webinars from time to time. I attended the webinar Basic Life Support and Stress Management, which are very useful and relevant. Thank you Foundation for Excellence and thank you Give India and Danhar India CSR Foundation. Thank you.